Hello, welcome to the very first painting video on this channel. Today I'll be painting one of the models from the One Piece Going Merry set, our beloved Chopper. On screen are the paints that I've used for this model. Without further ado, sit back, relax and enjoy the rest of the video. Minutes later. At this point, I noticed he was looking a little undead. But don't worry, nothing a little bit of paint magic can't fix. Well, there we have it. Chopper completely painted. Of course, the eyes looks a little bit derpy, but its detail is so small that if you don't pay attention to it, technically you don't exactly see it. It is quote-unquote battle ready in my books. Well, there's only 2 more members left in the whole crew that have yet to paint. I will definitely be painting all of them. At the very least, Chopper look like Chopper from afar. If you made it this far into the video, like, subscribe, follow, favorite, share with all your friends. It will really be appreciated. Let me know what I can do better in the comments below. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.